to get doing this now, not before, because wherever and whenever it starts getting busy, it won't become saturated, because there's billions of us, for example. So, you know, it's worldwide. You can be a care business and be worldwide. If you're going international, it just takes a bit of time to find the right director. There's all those things you've got to think about, for example, but it can be achievable. And then you're doing a YouTube video and you're saying, we are an international care agency. These are our locations, and then you film those locations. It's amazing. Look, I live in Cyprus, and for 15 years, I've been dreaming of living in Cyprus for 15 years. And then when lockdown happened, I thought, why not? I don't know what's going to happen. You know, when COVID was around, it was like we didn't know what was happening. It was a very scary time. So I thought, no, let me go to a beautiful island. And I don't regret it for one moment, because my youngest is actually enjoying it. No racism, no bullying going on. I mean, don't get me wrong, he can stick up for himself, but you shouldn't have to be fighting when you're going to school. And that's what was happening in the UK. So it's the best decision I ever made. Also, it's a lot cheaper here in Cyprus as well. You know, the inflation isn't as high as what it is in America and the UK, for example. But this is the reason why I'm saying to you to build your YouTube channel. Build it and do it now, because in 3 months' time, for example, there's one lady, it took her 30 days to get, one of my clients took her 30 days to get 1,000 subscribers and be monetized. Isn't that amazing? And there's another lady who I saw on YouTube. She was monetized and got 4,000 subscribers in 1 month. There's so many, and look at, there's Dante, London, there's Dodash, for example. There's lots of small YouTube creators that are doing really, really well. This is about community, and it's about us sharing what we know and passing on that information, because there's things that I know and there's things that you know that I don't know. So we can all help one another to grow. But you've got to put the work, effort in to your YouTube. You know, you just pick your phone up and press it and just film. You can point it away from you. You can have it facing you, for example. There's lots of ways that you can do your YouTube video. I'm doing a desktop and I've got a camera up here. I've got quite a few cameras from when I first started doing YouTube over the years. So I've got probably about 5 cameras, and I've got camera stands, I've got the lights, I've got green screens, I've got screens all different colors, for example, because I felt I needed it. I thought I needed all this professional equipment, but now I can be out walking and I can do a quick video. I could do, because I walk for an hour and a half each day, so I could just do a quick video while I'm walking. I might sound a bit breathless sometimes, especially when I'm going up the hill, but I'm a human being. I'm normal. It's good to show that you're a human being. We shouldn't have to all be like perfect people that all done up and looking perfectly all the time. We're human beings. You know, I'm 60 soon. Not yet, but I am 60 soon. And, you know, I don't, if I'm walking and whatever, I'm not wearing makeup. I'm wearing a bit of makeup today because I'm here with you, for example, but I don't like wearing makeup, tell you the truth. So that's why some of the times, most of the times, I don't wear it. Well, especially when I'm out, I don't wear it at all. I'm just natural. And this is today. You can do that. It's okay. You don't have to, you know, make sure that all our makeup's done and that our hair is done and that we're immaculately dressed, and we don't have to do that now. We can be ourselves. We can be comfortable because we're at home. We're not going into work, so we can be cozy at home without this, you know, loads of makeup on, etc. You know, I wear less makeup now. I really do. I used to plaster it on, but I don't now because I don't need to. I don't believe I need to wear foundation and things like that. But, you know, if you want to do that, then that's your choice. We've all got our choices in life, what we want to do and what we want to sell, for example. And I like selling multiple things. I love YouTube. I really love it now. It's like I'm addicted to it. I've got to upload every day. You know, I've got my calendar for the month. I know what I'm going to talk about, but I don't just put it all up there straight away because things change. So I like to kind of be relevant as well. So I can have my 30-day calendar, but, you know, things change sometimes. So I don't just chuck it all up there because otherwise I'll be forever re-editing and taking things down. I don't want to do that. So you can do this. Care providers, you can do this no matter what type of business you've got, whether you're healthcare, whether you're not, whether you're a garage, whether you're whatever. Get on YouTube and sell your services on YouTube. If you're a local business, get on YouTube. Don't wait for people to walk past your door. Because, you know, there's a lot of people, they're at home now. Not many people are walking out and every day going to the, you know, high street or whatever. They're online. So you need to get online. Just like how I did in 2018 with my coaching business. I got online. God said to me, do this online, because I was traveling around the UK every weekend. I was driving for hours and I was doing events for the weekend, then coming back home, and I was tired, and I was like, and my staff were tired, and we were like, whew. They were like, I don't know how you do it. You're older than us and we're feeling absolutely shattered. So then I was like, you know what? God came in my head and I heard, do this online. Get online. And I did in 2018. And I'm so thankful to God that I did, because COVID hit. So imagine if I was having events, everything would have just stopped. Money would have stopped coming in, for example. But I was doing events online. It was a natural progression. And there was more people showing up because they were on lockdown and they wanted to do something. So think about this. Being online, on YouTube, I have never met a person that doesn't know YouTube. Never. There's women that are 60, my age, 50, 60, 70. They're on YouTube and they're doing really well. Check them out. Check out their websites. YouTube channels, sorry. You know, over 50s, they're doing extremely well. They're getting their additional income from YouTube, because you can't really just rely on a pension. So you've got to have other things set up ready so that you've got an income stream coming in, so that you can afford the extra things like a holiday, or treat your family members to a holiday, or pay for a wedding, for example. I'm just giving examples here. Or treat yourself to a meal. You know, we can do this. We can do this, small creators, we can do this, and let's pull together and show everybody what we can do. What is our talent? What is our gift? Is it singing? Is it diet? Is it cooking? I love cooking. That is one of my amazing things I love to do. So that's why I do my cooking programs here as well. I love fitness and exercise. So that's why I do my walking every day, hour and a half, and I do high intensity exercise for 20 minutes a day, Monday to Friday. I don't do it at the weekends because I want to give my body a bit of a break from high intensive exercise, for example. But I'm keeping fit. I love to read. So I've got like a book club, for example. There's so many things that we can do on YouTube that's going to benefit other people. I do like meals for under a tenner, for example. I do like one-pan meals, for example, for families. I do meals for CEO cooking, you know, quick food and healthy food, for example. And I'm doing my vegan cooking this weekend, because vegan food is delicious. My husband, because I've remarried, my husband is a pescatarian. And we're looking at the vegan option as well, because the food is delicious. It's not like how it used to be years ago. It is literally delicious. We can do so much with things, and all thanks to YouTube. You know, people want to learn how to cook something, they go on YouTube, don't they? They don't go, well, sometimes I go to the shop and get recipe books or whatever, because I like the book in my hand, you know, bit old school, I suppose. But people go on YouTube to get things, don't they? They want to learn something, they go on YouTube, they watch it, and they feel empowered, and they try it out for themselves. So why should you not do that? I'd love to hear your stories. How is your YouTube channel going? Do you have a business, or are you a small YouTube creator that wants to grow your YouTube channel? You know, I'm posting every single day, literally. And this video that I do, I then turn it into 4 videos and 20 shorts, for example. All with TubeBuddy, vidIQ, for example, and there's also Opus. I'll put the links here in the description so that you can have them as well. But you don't have to post every day if you don't want to. It's just I want to, because I need to prove something to myself that I can do it,